Which day is celebrated as Environment Day? Answer 5th June. When was the first passenger train in India? Answer 1853. Where is Gir National Forest located? Answer Gujarat. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal at Olympics? Answer Karnam Malleshwari. Who was India's first president? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Name the national tree of India. Answer Banyan tree. Who was the father of Indian space program? Answer Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Which animal has the highest blood pressure in the world? Answer Giraffe. Which is the highest dam of India? Theory Dam. Name the national river of India. Answer the Ganga. What is the full form of CID? Answer Crime Investigation Department. Computer is connected to internet by which device? Answer Modem. How many years are there in one millennium? Answer 1000 years. When was the PIN system first introduced in India? Answer 1972. Who invented watch? Answer Peter HENLEIN.